there is another element of HTML which is we call pre-element. Control K, Control C. So what it does, this HTML predefined element, it defines pre-formatted text. So the text inside a pre-element is displayed in a fixed width font and preserve both spaces and the line breaks. So let me create a pre like this, and then my Bonnie lies over the ocean, my Bonnie lies over the sea, my Bonnie lies over the ocean. So for example, if you want to create if you want to put a poem or a song or lyrics, you can use the pre element, and it keeps the fixed width and preserve both spaces and line breaks as well. So you can use this pre element if you want.